PeTTY with the Motorola G6. Don't hate me for this one.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
We have the Moto G6 here, a budget device from last year, 2018. It's a pretty good phone. It gets the job done. Has USB Type-C for charging, headphone jack on the bottom, a SIM tray slot on top, if you can see it there. Let's start there. If we're being petty, I wish this SIM tray slot could have been on the side. Another thing is, it has a fingerprint scanner in the front. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the one-touch navigation. I wish the fingerprint scanner was on the rear of the phone. Similar to how the Moto G6 Play is set up. This is the Moto G6 Play, the fingerprint scanner, you can see how it's set up. I wish that could have been done. It has a beautiful glass built in the back. Speaking of the back, we have the camera set up. Now, when I first got this phone here, I tried to get past it. I thought I would. It's hard to get used to it here. The back camera, it looks like a face, man. Yeah, it's a little weird, but you know, it's a good camera in the back, so whatever. We can deal with it, I guess. Another thing I don't like about this device here is that the screen itself doesn't get that bright. On camera, it'll be hard to tell because you're just looking at what the camera will pick up. So it looks like it's super bright right now, but trust me, it's not bright at all. It's not as bright as some of my other phones. I wish it got a little bit brighter, that's what I'm saying. It's not bright enough for me. And if we go back to the cameras, another petty thing I don't like about the Moto G6 here is that it does have the Snapdragon 450, so I think that disables it from the ability to shoot in 4K. So is that like a feature that's only meant for the Plus variant of the phone and not the regular variant? I'm going to stop being petty here. I love this phone. It's still one of my favorite phones to use. It's a good looking phone. When I say I'm being petty, it's because it's little things that I don't like, but I can deal with it. If you guys have any other questions or anything you want to see with the Moto G6 in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and upon subscribing, hit that notification bell so that when a video goes public or is uploaded to the channel, you'll be notified of it immediately. And also guys, go ahead and hit that share button, share this video to your friends and family, and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Nurse strap.